Well, I'm back. Finally, 1 week later. It was a week ago that I came down with this virus, and actually I came down with it about a week and 1 day ago. And I still got inklings of it. I mean, it's not completely gone, but I'm well enough to get to work on my clay. I can't stand laying upstairs all day long, and I got to get busy on this clay. So let's see what we can do today. It's good to be back. Love all your best well wishes, by the way. Love you all. All right, let's get started on this beast. Oh, the sound in the background. Yeah, it's the apartment management has their guy out doing lawn care today. So you're going to be hearing lawnmowers and weed whackers today, probably. All right, be right back. All right, one of the things I need to do is raise him up a little bit. I've got my sculpting stand up as high as it goes, but it's not high enough for me to see the clay properly. So I'm gonna work on that right now. It's gonna take a little time, and I'll be right back. Well, it's not at the ideal point, but it's gonna have to do. I'm gonna put leggings on this guy too, only because I don't want to have to deal with all the nuances of his leg muscles. And I'm going to raise his head a little bit too. Give his neck a little bit more length to it. My stomach is feeling a little queasy today, and you're probably going to hear me coughing quite a bit. I cannot kick this cough right now, and I could edit it out of the video, but that takes a lot of time. So I'm just forewarning you, I'm not dying. I'm just at the outer edge of my week-long illness. You can probably hear it in my voice too. It's really hard to get back into the steam of working after you've been out for a week. Getting all the tools and the equipment back to where I want it. It was not a pleasant week. I don't think I've been really sick for years. Got to get his foot on there. you got to have the form under the clothing, and that's what I'm trying to achieve here. He's going to be wearing a shirt, a leather shirt, a leather war shirt, and so you got to have the musculature under the clothing. Now, his shirt was going to be probably about this long. They had longer lengths, especially in the early 1800s. They would have shirts that would come down almost past the knee. Big elk skin shirts. But I'm not putting one of those on him. If I was running through the woods, I'd want a shirt that was would be protective, but also wouldn't be restrictive as far as weight and length. So that's just a lot of what I do is using common sense. Now the shirt, especially brain tanned leather, has a quality about it that is so beautiful. And it's a soft, almost felt, F-E-L-T, type feel to it. But it has lots of wrinkles because of the stretching out of the skin on the ground or wherever they have it stretched out so they can clean the skin. All right, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to get started on the loincloth after I get this leg here finished. I'm just working on the loincloth right now. It's going to have wrinkles in it too, or folds, not necessarily wrinkles. Well, it's really hard to get the energy level up in my body right now. What I'm doing is I'm filling in behind the loincloth because I have to. I can't have a deep recess. I have to have it all filled in. But the key is to try to make it look like I haven't filled it in. Does that make sense? And I'm dealing with a runny nose. All the joyous parts of having a virus I'm dealing with. I am so glad to be back in the studio. I don't know, maybe I won't put leggings on them. I'll have to just decide to do that as I go along with this thing. Okay, I'm gonna start the shirt. Now the front part of the shirt, because of the angle of his body, is going to be hanging out in front of his body. The way they made their shirts was they'd take a skin and just fold it over, cut a hole for the neck, and then they would take the legs of the animal and make the sleeves out of that, and it would be kind of like a poncho. It would be loose, I mean, it would be open in the side, and very primitive, but beautiful. You try to buy a brain tan shirt today, and it's going to cost you thousands of dollars. The skin alone, because of the process that it has to go through, is very intense in its process. They have to use the brain of the animal to tan the hide, and that's very expensive and very time consuming. Then in some cases they smoke the leather to waterproof it, and I'm just establishing the wrinkles of the shirt right now. All right, I'm going to let this clay, which is soft right now because it's been heated up, I'm going to let it stiffen up overnight so that I can fill in a little more easily between the folds of the shirt. It'll look a lot more, I'm trying to think of the word. It'll make more sense when I get to that point. I'm doing the front of the shirt first because it's going to be the hardest part of the shirt. The back part won't be as hard, but that's the other side of the poncho type shirt. I'm going to leave that for tonight and come back and work on it tomorrow. Thank goodness I can. All right, good night, everybody. Have a great night. And again, thank you for all your well wishes this past week, and your prayers. Good night.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.